Introducing the Milescraft Drill Block. No more guessing if your drill is at a true 90-degree angle to your work surface. This handy guide system allows you to drill a straight hole every time. The drill block has an ergonomic design that is comfortable in any application. The unit also features non-slip TPE pads on both sides to prevent slipping and marring on the work surface. There are center lines on all four sides of the drill block that are lined up with each hole location to help you make sure you are positioned exactly centered on your mark. Using these as a guide, you will drill a perfect hole every time. On the top of the bushing block, there are 6 holes for common drill bit sizes: 1/8, 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Each bushing is held to a tight tolerance and allows you to drill at a 90-degree angle to any surface. For drilling holes that are straight and true, be sure to check out the Milescraft Drill Block. Milescraft, always the better idea.
You can design and build your projects following the golden ratio using Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the Fibonacci gauge. Set 2 of the legs to match a fixed dimension of your project, and the other 2 legs will give you the golden dimension. There are 3 sizes of the Fibonacci gauge. When you're working on scaled plans or small projects, the 12-inch model is perfect. For full-size layout, there are the 24 and 48-inch models. All 3 sizes are machined from aircraft-grade aluminum with stainless steel pivot points and locking knobs. The arms are anodized for surface protection and to minimize friction when you're making adjustments. You can buy just the size you need or save some money with the complete set. Design like Leonardo. Keep your project proportions golden.
Confidently take on your job with the Craftsman V20 20V Max brushless drill driver kit. Made in the USA with global materials designed for rugged performance, this drill driver's brushless motor produces plenty of power and up to 60% more runtime. The 2-speed gearbox lets you drill quickly and efficiently, with a 1/2-inch metal ratcheting chuck for improved bit retention. It also includes an LED light to provide illumination in dark work areas, as well as 2 V20 20V Max lithium-ion batteries with LED state of charge indicators and a soft storage bag. When you're finished, hang it up for easy storage. Tough jobs are no match for the V20 20V Max brushless drill driver kit, part of the Craftsman V20 system. Craftsman, we build pride.
Experience Makita's cordless outdoor power equipment. The chainsaw starts instantly and features a brushless motor that provides power equivalent to a 32cc gas model. Get unstoppable power without the hassles of gas. Now quieter than ever, the blower reaches speeds of 120 miles per hour. Use Makita's cordless products anytime, anywhere. One system, endless possibilities. Now get 2 extra free batteries.
you're not using the gripper in your workshop, what are you waiting for? The gripper is the only adjustable push block that gives you 3 directions of control to protect your hands, prevent kickback, and make better cuts. Downward pressure keeps your workpiece firmly on the table. Inward pressure keeps it tight to the fence to eliminate blade marks and prevent kickback. And smooth, consistent forward motion prevents burning on especially dense hardwoods. No other push block in the world offers this level of control, precision, and safety. Its powerful green grip gives you incredible traction on a wide variety of materials. The adjustable center leg allows the gripper to pass directly over the blade, controlling both the keeper and the offcut side of your workpiece through the entire cut. All with your hands safely clear the blade. The gripper is made right here in the USA, and it's backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Visit us online at microjig.com to order yours today or to find a retailer near you. Microjig. Work safer, work smarter.
I used the fuel nailer framing with some engineered lumber, and it worked just as well as a pneumatic gun. I was impressed.
With the Milwaukee nailer, I've noticed the power is significant. It penetrates the engineered lumber great, not having to come back through and hammer it down, one shot and done.
I did some half-inch sheeting on some LSL and I had no problem driving them. Even when I sped up my nailing, I had no problem keeping consistency.
Efficiency is the name of the game, and I think the fuel nailer, having the bump fire mode is a huge help.
As a framer, we're shooting racks upon racks upon racks of nails, and I'm not having jams. I'm not dealing with that issue. The Milwaukee is the fastest cordless nailer I've used.
You can simply just slap a battery on and just blast away.
With other cordless framing nailers, sometimes you can't tell if the gas is empty or not. Then you gotta drop the tool and go find another cartridge wherever it may be.
Gas cartridges are a lot slower. They have to kind of wind up.
I don't need to change the gas cartridge. All I have to do is change the battery.